After a kitchen renovation, the owner of this brick veneer home wanted to transform a basic bathroom, located just off the dining room, into something more visually striking. Working within the existing footprint, the designer also needed to retain the shower for future accessibility. The space was divided into 3 distinct zones: shower, toilet, and vanity, separated by reeded glass panels that allow light to pass through from the room's only natural source, a central skylight. Material choices link the bathroom with surrounding spaces. Travertine tiles in a herringbone pattern mirror the outdoor brick paving, while a green freestanding basin echoes the kitchen's forest green cabinetry. The TIDA judges noted how the redesign brings the drama and elegance of a powder room while maintaining full functionality as a secondary bathroom. Congratulations to Carmel Wylie of GIA Renovations, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Powder Room of the Year.